All right, guys, welcome to day 4 of our $1 to $10,000 crypto futures trading challenge. So, today's lesson is one of the most important ones in the entire journey, and it's not about charts, it's about mindset and money because this mindset is the game changer. Okay, is the number one thing that you need. All right, so you have noticed we have been adding $1 to $2 daily into our futures account, right? That is not just a random activity. So I want you guys to know something. It's a signal that if you want to succeed in trading, you need a source of income to fund your trading account. All right, don't go borrowing money or using your school fees to trade or your house rent. That's a recipe for disaster. You blow your account once, and if you have no backup income, you are finished. You are doomed, depressed, and you'll be discouraged. Okay? So the truth is, trading should never be your only income stream. Take note of this. Trading should never be your only income stream. All right? Look at the top traders out there. They are making money from other sources too. Okay? You know them. Especially some of these people, you see online every day talking about crypto forex. Okay? They are trading for real. They are making money for real. Okay? But apart from crypto, they are making money from other sources too. Like their courses, signals, mentorship, YouTube monetized, socials, like their social medias being monetized. Why? Because they understand something. Capital is oxygen in this game, this like financial markets. Okay, one or two good trades can change your life, but if you blow your last account and have no way to fund it again, you are stuck. Like you're in soup, you are doomed. So you have to build wisely. All right. Today, no new tools, just wisdom. If you can deposit another dollar into your MEXC Global Futures account, do it so now. All right. So I have $2 plus in my spot wallet here. So I'm going to transfer it to my futures trading account. So you must learn to stay consistent, stay disciplined. All right. We are getting closer every day. Tomorrow we will continue. All right. So by next week, you should start trading properly. All right. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Until next time, peace out.